200-meter freestyle relay and bronze medal in the 50-meter backstroke, state level swimming. Neha Rajput, please give a mighty hand. Kumari Manmeet Bhamra, who got a silver medal into 4 into 100-meter relay race. Both of have won the sports scholarship of the 3,500 rupees each for the session. UC Master State Level Championship goes to the Sakshi Satvara. She stood first in the journal level competition of the UC Mass Abacus and Mental and Arithmetic, which was held in Baroda. Well done, Sakshi. Next, Divya Vyas, the young achiever, who won the first prize in the journal rounds of the International Art and Craft 2008, and where 90 lakhs students of 4,000 schools from 50 national and 8 international locations have taken part. It's not a very small achievement. Please shower your mighty round of applause.
कृपया जोरदार तालियों के साथ हमारे इन छात्रों का स्वागत कीजिए। इनकी हौसला अफजाई के लिए आपकी तालियां बेहद जरूरी हैं।
Dhruv Gupta has won the prize in the National Science Seminar, where the more than 20 schools of the CBSE and the Gujarat board have participated, and he was highly appreciated by the judges for his presentation. Sakshi Satvara stood first in the journal level competition in the UC Mass Abacus Mental and Arithmetic, which was held in Malta. Well done, Sakshi. Anusri Das had the privilege to perform on the renowned stage Saptak, and she has sung the inauguration song there also. Hearty congratulations to Anusri Das. Best reader of this year goes to the Harsh Gupta. Now, with reference to the academics, our results of the board examinations were quite encouraging. Kumari Vinita Deshwal topped the 10th class with the 85%. A mighty congratulations to her. Kumari Vinita Agrawal, please put your hands together. Kumari Ruby Jain topped the class 12th with the 80%. Heartily congratulations to her. Ruby Jain. Yes, Pranav Nair, who got the audience award in a quiz that was conducted by the Tata Consultancy Services. The school can feel proud where the very few schools were invited there, and Pranav got the prize there. Now, CCA competitions. This year, CCA, as Madam has already informed us, that we have the various cultural activities on each Friday in last 2 periods. This year, CCA runner-up trophy goes to Patel House. May we request all the housemasters and the prefects, vice prefects to come on the stage and receive the CCA runners-up. And the overall championship trophy for the academic year 2008 and 9 won by Sarabhai House. May we request all the housemaster and the prefects, vice prefects, come on the stage and collect the trophy. Sarabhai House, Sri C.B. Pandey, Mrs. Valsatang.
कृपया जोरदार तालियों के साथ इनका उत्साहवर्धन कीजिए।
A big round of applause for our champions. Congratulations, Sarabhai House, on your very best performance.
निश्चित ही बागडोर के हौसले दूर तक सदा देते हैं, कामयाबी के सिलसिले मंजिल का पता देते हैं।
Last but not least, the best student of the year goes to the Master Prateek Basarkar, who is outstanding in academics, almost 95% in class 10, almost 90% in class 11, and he is very soft, very gentle, quite well behaved, sober in nature and participating in the literary activities. So, best student of the academic year 2008 and 9, Master Prateek Basarkar. Shall we request our audience to shower a mighty round of applause? Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. This is all about the prize. Solanki Slow. He was in the green room. Solanki Slow. Mansi Rajput. They got the prizes for the UC Mouse. UC Mouse Shield. UC Mouse Cup. Well done, Mansi. Kumari Sohani. She was also in the green room. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.